Today we're going to be playing with the Oobleck. That's more like it. Oobleck, that's a funny word. Who came up with it? In 1949, Dr Seuss wrote a book called Bartholomew and the Oobleck. It describes it as a sticky liquid that falls from the sky. What is the Oobleck? Let's find out. The Oobleck is made out of cornstarch and water. When cornstarch is mixed with water, the cornstarch molecules don't dissolve in water, so they slide and it makes it look like a liquid. But when you put force on the Oobleck, it suddenly becomes a solid. That's why it's a non-Newtonian liquid. And now let's play with the Oobleck. And that's the world of Oobleck. Try it out and have fun.